Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today on Sunday, not on Saturday, January the 22nd, 2022, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to continue with the Saturday edition. In additional, we have three puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic with 1 star. But first we will solve this baby number, Letter Sudoku number 4020. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 27 printed letters, not digits, but letters. And those letters we have 9 letters to work: the M, the T, the G, the N, the L, the I, the A, the R, the E. 9 letters, and the goal is to solve this word. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. We have an I in this row, I in a row below, the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the I should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this row. 2 of those letters are the E and the R. We have an E and an R in this big square, so no E and an R in these 3 boxes. So the E and R goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. E and R, E and R. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the R goes there. All right. 3 missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are: the M is missing, the L is missing, and the G is missing. We have an M here, no M there. Here an M, no M there. The only place left for the M should be there. So 2 missing letters now: the L and the G. L and the G. LG. Okay. So we have a G in this column. G in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the G should be there. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We have a L here in this third column. So no L in these 2 boxes. Here an L in this row. So no L in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L should be there. L in the first column, L in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We see there an L, no L there. L should be here. Then 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a T. We see here T in the second column, so no T in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the T should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, A is missing, and the letter R is missing. So the A and R. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. All right. So we have a R in the first row, R in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there. R should be here. 1 box left in the second column for the letter let me see. The N is missing here. Yes, in the second column, the N is missing. Alright. Alright. So we have a T in the first row, T in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there. T should be there. Two missing letters in the first column. Those missing letters are the A is missing and the M is missing. A and M. We have an M there, no M there. M should be there and the A goes there. Alright, two missing letters in this big square for the letters A is missing. And the letter N is missing. A and N. A and N. Okay. Here, two missing letters also in this big square for the letters M is missing. And the I is missing. M and I. Okay. Let me see. So we have a T in this column, T in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there, T should be there. Okay. Then. 4 missing letters in the last row. One of the missing letter is an N. We see here an N in this big square, so no N in these two boxes. So the N could be here, could be there. We see here another N, so no N there. N should be here. N in the last column, N in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the N should be there. N in the third row. N in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there. N should be there. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, N is missing and the A is missing. N and the A. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and the A goes there. Alright. Do we have all the N's and all the... Nope. A and an N. Now we have an N there, so this box can be N and more. That box should be an N and this box should be an A. Now I can count. And all the N's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter N. Okay. 2 missing letters in the first row. Those missing letters are the I is missing. And the... I and the E is missing. I and the E. I and the E. We have an I here, no I there. I should be here. And the E goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking. So we have a L in this column, L in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. You see there an L, no L there, L should be there. No, no R. 3 missing letters in the last row. One of the missing letters is an R. We have a R. Wait, yeah. We have a R in this column, so no R there. Here also an R in the middle column, so no R there. Only place left for the R should be here. R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the R should be there. Now we have a R here. So this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R. And this box should be an A. Okay. A in this row, A in the last row. So the row B3, the only place left for the A should be there. A in this column, A in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column, the only place left for the A should be there. A in this row, A in the second row. So the third row, the row below, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see there, no A there. A should be there. And all the A's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter A. How about the R then? Yeah. We have an R in this column, R in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be here. And all the R's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter R. 2 missing letters in the last row for the letters. L is missing and the G is missing. L and a G, we have a G there, no G there. G should be here and the L goes there. Now we have a G there, so this box can be G anymore. That box should be a G. And this box should be an L. One box left in this middle column for the letter I. So now we have solved this in 12 minutes. And the word is marteling in Dutch. In English, if you translate this, torture. Torture, yes. Alright, let's continue with this puzzle. One box left in this big square for the letter E is missing. E is missing. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. I is missing. And the L is missing. I and the L. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the L goes there. Now we have I there. So this box can't be I anymore. That box should be an I. And this box should be an M. One box left in this row for the letter G is missing. Yeah, G. 2 boxes left in this big square for the letters E is missing. And the M is missing. M and the E. M and the E. 1 box left in this row for the letter E. Now we have an E here. So this box can be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an M. Okay. 2 boxes left in this row for the letters M is missing. And the G is missing. M and the G. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here. And the G goes there. M in this column, M in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the M should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the letter T is missing. Yeah, the T is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the letters T is missing and the G is missing. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here and the T goes there. And the final 2 letters in this big square for the letters E is missing and the I is missing. E and I, we have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the I goes there, finish in 40 minutes. Wow, surprise! Because for a letter Sudoku I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. A tectonic with 1 star and a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you then. Bye bye for now.